Let's do a video. No, stop. Yeah, you just talking your little head off today, huh? Say hey. I'm laughing for the first time. Yeah. Say bye, everybody. On one side, the U.S. and 5 world powers are demanding that Iran immediately stop enriching uranium to the 20% level. It's at that level that uranium can quickly be converted. You don't want to say bye? See you later.